Introduce highlight features and quick overview of ARLIME 19QT Air Fryer Toaster Oven Multi-Function 7-in-1 Convection Oil-Free Countertop Oven. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. ARLIME Electric Air Fryer Toaster Oven will simplify any kitchen task from air frying, broiling, baking to toasting, dehydrating, and warming, featuring 7 preset cooking functions. Our convection oven will satisfy all your diverse cooking needs by making a variety of cuisines. Different from the traditional way of cooking with hot oil, ARLIME Convection Toaster Oven adopts up and down balance heating, 4 heating tubes on the top, 2 on the bottom, to fry up food. The adjustable temperature from 250 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit drives out the extra fat in the food, while maintaining the crispy taste of traditional way. ARLIME Air Fryer Toaster Oven could easily fit 6 slices of toast, a 9 inches pizza, 3 pounds chicken wings and a 4 pounds chicken in the 19QT interior space. You can make plenty of food for the whole family. Besides, non-slip foot pads, heat-resistant handle and oven mitt will provide further safety insurance. 4 electroplated knobs help you control the time, temperature, and cooking mode effortlessly. You can set the temperature from 250 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and the time from 0 to 60 minutes as you want. Meanwhile, the additional toast timer from 0 to 8 minutes provides with 3 baking color options: light, med, dark. ARLIME Air Fryer Toaster Oven comes with 4 dishwasher-safe cooking accessories including fry basket, oven rack, baking pan, and crumb tray. All are removable for easy cleaning. Transparent window and interior lighting allow you to monitor the food easily while cooking. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.